Hey, 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 good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I want to show each and every one of you just how easy it is to use an air fryer to make fresh fish supper. It is so easy to do, and this is one of the best fish recipes that you will ever do in an air fryer. So grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. Oh my God, I am so proud to bring you along. My husband and my son went out ice fishing and they brought home a fresh fish supper. So now I get to bring you along on showing you how I go ahead and I make it in my air fryer. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Here's my fish that they already cleaned up for me. Now I'm going to sit there and dredge it in some flour that I seasoned up with salt and pepper and garlic powder and onion powder and a little bit of cornstarch. Now dredge both sides of it. Now that we have all of our fish dredged in the flour mixture here, let's go ahead and remove them, put them on a paper plate. That way we can sit there and go on to our next step. Let's remove our flour dredging station and let's replace it with our ground up corn flakes. And now with all them dreaded, now let's place our flour dredged fish fillets into the beaten egg mixture and then place it back into our ground up cornflake mixture, and we're going to sit there and want to make sure we're dredging these nice and good with the cornflakes. Now that we have all these breaded up, spray them with some cooking spray and put them inside of your air fryer at 350 degrees, and we're going to air fry them for about 6 minutes. Or go ahead and air fry them until they're nice and golden brown. Now I know you're all dying to see what it looks like on the inside, so let's cut open one of these babies and let's check her out. Oh my God, look at all that crispiness on the outside. Look at that flakiness on the inside with the fish. Let's give a big old YouTube taste test. Oh my God. Folks, I gotta go. I do love air fried fish, and a big old thank you to my husband and my son. I do love you greatly. Thank you. Now, if you like what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And be sure to hit that subscribe button. Tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I put out a new video. And y'all come back now. Yeah.